Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a eforiro from the scratch. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. For my OG, thank you. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The list of ingredients are cooked bomo, cooked shaki. Then I have cooked and fried beef, fried mackerel fish. I will also be using onion bulb, fresh pepper, red bell pepper, and then I also have spinach and black Italian cabbage leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice. The first thing I will be doing is to put some red oil in a pot. I will allow this to hot for some minutes and then I will add my diced onions and I will fry this for some minutes as well. If today is your first time of coming across this video or this channel, you are welcome here. In here, we make delicious and sumptuous meal. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Next, I'll be adding my locust beans, also called iru, and then I will stir fry everything together. Now, I'll be adding my chopped red bell pepper, fresh pepper, onion bulb, and then I will stir this and allow this to fry for some minutes. Please allow your pepper to fry very well in order for you not to have any funny taste later. I will cover this to cook for some minutes and then I will open up the pan. Next, I will be adding my cooked momo and shaki. Then I will give this a stir as well. And if you have watched this video up to this moment, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video and share. Thank you. Now I'll be covering this to cook for some minutes and then I'll open up the pan and add the next ingredient. And now I'll be adding some grinded crayfish and then I will give this a stir. Now I'll be adding the beef and the fried fish. I will also add maggi and then I will add some salt to taste. Thereafter, I will give everything a stir. I added the meat and the fish into the sauce now because I want everything to cook together in order for the sauce to penetrate into the protein. Now that my pepper are wet fried, I will add more palm oil. And if you don't want your effort to be too oily, you can choose not to add more oil. Now I'll be adding the Italian black cabbage and then I will give this a stir. I'll be using two types of leaf here. I'll be using the spinach as well. If you're able to lay your hands on any of them, it is okay. You can use kale leaf as well. I'll cover this to cook for some minutes because the cabbage is a little bit hard. Then I will now add the spinach and stir everything together. Another thing I want to say is that you can use tomatoes as well, but you must allow your tomatoes to fry very well in order for your soup not to have sour or any funny taste. Now I'll be adding more seasoning. I added some maggi and salt. Now I'll give everything a stir. Look at that, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. Our soup is almost ready. I will allow this to cook for very few minutes and then our soup is ready. Do you see how beautiful it is? Our eforiro is ready. This soup was so yummy, was so delicious. Will you be giving this a try? If you do, please don't forget to tag me. Don't forget to share and leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you guys for always watching my video and keep eating good food. You can eat this up with any swallow of your choice. See you in my next one. Bye.